Welcome to the channel. Today we'll be looking at PolyCaps Black on White, a cherry profile keycap set. I got Black on White from kineticlabs.com for $60. PolyCaps is a relatively new keycap manufacturer, and they are owned by Kinetic Labs. And while Kinetic Labs is still in the process of registering the trademark for PolyCaps, which they filed in August of this year, they released their first set, White on Black, in February 2021. The second set, Whale, was released July 2021, and the third set, Octopus, was released August 9th, 2021. My first impression of these keycaps is that they have a very nice texture. It is smooth, not quite as smooth as Cat, but smoother than the sort of chalky, rough texture PBT you may be used to, and the legends are very clear, with only very minor thickness issues on some of the modifiers, such as backspace or caps lock. I really like the quality of these. The legends are much crisper than my Acco double shot PBT set, and they just really do feel very premium. The alignment isn't quite perfect on the modifiers. For the standard modifiers, it all's pretty centered. However, when I looked at the 1.5U modifiers, such as Control and Alt, it seemed slightly below center. Kinetic Labs is still in the process of developing this brand, and they're looking to make a name for themselves as one of the premier destinations for double shot PBT keycaps. Fortunately, these are going to be in-stock products, but Whale and Octopus do tend to sell out pretty quickly. The double shot process makes for this nice, dark underside with a solid black. And even the spacebar, you can see, is actually fully double shot with supports in the middle. I think that PBT spacebars tend to have problems with warping, but these seemed really nice. As far as thickness is concerned, they measure in at an average of 1.4 millimeters, so decently thick keycaps. So, would I recommend this keycap set? Yes, it's a great mid-range set of keycaps. Much nicer and higher quality than some of the PBT sets you'll see on AliExpress or Amazon. And while most people will sort of immediately say something like, oh, it's not as good as GMK, it's definitely more affordable, and it is PBT. And even though there's plenty of dye sub PBT that look pretty good, there's not that many double shot PBT keycaps that achieve this level of consistency and perfection. Up next is a sound test of the Black on White PBT keycap set from PolyCaps on the KBD 67 Lite. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching, and good luck out there.